This is an app review of Twitter. Twitter is a social media platform that can be used in various ways in a classroom setting and as a learning tool. The Twitter URL is https://twitter.com, and Twitter can be used online as a social media tool to write, follow other users, and include links, pictures, hashtags, and other trending items. This allows students to be involved with other people, as well as create micro messages and include other various tools that will help express their ideas and their thoughts. So how does Twitter work? Below is a picture of a Twitter user sending a direct message. This is an excellent way for students to interact with teachers and teachers to interact with students. Above that, you can see where it says tweet to @CNNTech. That is the user. Another function is to tweet at someone to immediately gather their attention and to express an idea. Direct messages, tweets, and the use of hashtags can all be used to organize certain information and topics into one central location, which is very helpful for classrooms to locate ideas, locate conversations, and stay on task. So in summary and evaluation of Twitter, it can definitely be used to organize the thoughts and topics within a classroom. I believe that hashtags should be used in order to keep all of the material and the subject material in the proper area so that students don't get distracted with various other sections of Twitter and other sections of the social media source. The Twitter settings should be used to protect privacy of students. There are ways to keep tweets private and to keep tweets within your classroom, and those should absolutely be used to make sure that all of the thoughts are kept private and safe within the classroom setting. Things like literacy, grammar, and English or other language demands are very important parts of using Twitter. Twitter offers these benefits through the interaction on the app and through various hashtags that students can follow, such as hashtag literacy or hashtag grammar, hashtag English. All of those things can be hashtagged and placed into a general topic. And finally, how would we use it? Well, a variety of ways in a classroom setting. Twitter can be used to provide literary examples. Micro messages between students are good for dialogue, they're good for social media, they're good for providing examples of short stories. If you're talking about stories or talking about literature, micro messages are a good way to have those interactions. It can be used in a classroom to create those stories or carry on developing conversations. If you're talking about language or you're talking about grammar or literacy, Twitter can be used to go back and forth to create all kinds of conversation and dialogue. It can also be used to give students examples of what is deemed correct or incorrect in a sentence or a micro message. And it immediately gives those students the opportunity to like the message, retweet it, reply to it, various ways that they can determine if the example is correct or incorrect, if you want to do quick assessments. And teachers are also able to do the same thing. We can quickly like, retweet, hashtag to provide insight to a topic, and reply to students, whether it's via a tweet or a direct message. And that makes conversations very accessible to all students, so all students know what is happening in the classroom. The teacher knows what all students are saying to each other in the classroom setting, and it can be very beneficial from various aspects. And that is Twitter.